All right, I got the Resin French Bulldog statue. Just wanted to show you what it looks like when it arrives. Packaged nice and foam. We got little glasses for him. He's already got glasses on. He has extra glasses. Look at this. There's a tray. All right, so we have a felt on the bottom, adhesive here on the paws to attach to the tray, I'm gonna assume. So let's put these on him. See how he looks. Double them up. There we go. Just to give you an idea of the size of this, I just want to show you this is your standard paper plate right here. Just to give you an idea of the size. Here's my hand next to this guy. It's about 9 inches to the top of the ears. The tray is about 7.5 inches. And the base of this guy is about 4.5 inches. Looking at him sideways, again, about 4.5 inches. You can pry this off on the bottom. I guess you could technically use him as a piggy bank if you wanted to, because there's a slot in the back. There he is, little dude, extra pair of sunglasses. There's a pair of readers on there. All kinds of uses. Resin Bulldog, I like it.